Diesel owners know the struggle of keeping an engine clean, but when your exhaust starts lying to your computer about nitrogen oxide levels on bank 2, things get messy fast. This is where the code P2214 comes into play. Diesel engines naturally produce more particulate matter and nitrogen oxides compared to gas engines, and your car uses an NOx sensor to monitor these levels and keep your emissions within legal limits. These sensors live in one of the harshest environments on the vehicle, surrounded by extreme heat and thick soot. Over time, that soot can literally cake onto the sensor tip, making it impossible for the sensor to read the exhaust gases correctly. When the engine control module sees a signal that is out of the expected range, it throws this code and might even cause your car to blow excessive smoke or have an erratic idle. The Bank 2 designation tells you exactly which side of the exhaust system to look at, which is vital since many modern diesels have multiple sensors. Before you run out and buy an expensive new sensor, try giving it a good visual inspection. Sometimes the wires get melted because they're so close to the hot exhaust pipes, or maybe a rock from the road hit the sensor body. If the sensor is just covered in carbon, you might be able to clean it, but be very careful. These things often get seized in their mounting holes due to the constant heating and cooling cycle. If you need to use heat to break it loose, only apply the torch to the exhaust pipe threads and never directly to the sensor itself, or you will definitely destroy it. Since this code affects your fuel economy and emissions, you do not want to ignore it for too long. A simple fix like cleaning a connector or repairing a damaged wire can often bring your fuel trim back into balance and get that check engine light off your dashboard. It's all about making sure the computer has an accurate view of what is coming out of the tailpipe.